If you're looking for a simple noodle dish made from natural ingredients, this recipe is sure to surpass all others. It features flat rice noodles flavored with a delicious chili garlic sauce inspired by popular Asian recipes. The best part is, we'll be mixing in fresh vegetables, really fresh, because we won't be cooking them. Let's dive in and see how to prepare this dish. First, we need a type of vegetable peeler that produces strips of vegetables. This peeler should have serrated teeth instead of a straight blade. Next, we need hardy vegetables that can be eaten raw, such as carrots, zucchini, red bell peppers, and either red or white onions. We also need a stalk of spring onion, cut into 1-inch lengths. There are many other vegetables that don't need to be cooked. The possibilities are endless. Remember, you don't need to peel these vegetables. Eating raw vegetables is always best when it comes to nutrients and fiber content because it allows our bodies to fully benefit from the gifts of nature without altering the vegetable's physical properties. Alright, let's get started. Over medium heat, lightly fry the onion. Then, add at least a teaspoon of brown sugar. Next, include the spring onion and saute briefly. Set this mixture aside. Here's a little secret for you. This is chili garlic oil, also known as chili sauce, which you can typically find at Asian grocery stores. Look for the original Chinese brand, often associated with an older woman. This brand comes in various variants, but don't worry, the results will still be delicious. Simply mix a few tablespoons of chili oil into fried onions and combine them well. You can add a tablespoon of oyster sauce if you would like to enhance the flavor. We have finished flavoring our dish. Now, let's prepare the flat rice noodles. Keep in mind that different types of noodles require different cooking methods, so always read the instructions on the packaging. For these flat rice noodles, bring enough water to a boil, then add the noodles and turn off the heat. Let them sit for 3 minutes. Afterward, rinse the noodles under cold running water to prevent them from overcooking. This is the final stage. Our flat rice noodles are ready to be mixed with the chili oil mixture. First, fluff or loosen the noodles using your hands or 2 forks before adding the chili oil mixture. Then, mix everything together by hand, ensuring that all strands of noodles are coated with the chili oil. Next, add all the shredded vegetables. And thoroughly mix them in using your hands, making sure that everything is evenly coated with the seasoning. Add a little light soy sauce, keeping in mind that soy sauce is inherently salty. Taste the noodles to determine if they need more oyster sauce or soy sauce. You may add some sesame seeds on top for garnish if you wish. Heat the noodles in the microwave if you want to enjoy them warm. Otherwise, you can eat them straight after mixing. I hope you enjoy our recipe for today. Finally, I would like to invite you to like and subscribe to my channel to stay updated on our uploads. Thank you, and I will see you next time.